Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So tomorrow is the day 2 of this mock test challenge and this is for SBI JA mains and RRB PO and clerk pre plus mains. And if you are a beginner and if you are watching this video for the first time, then for beginners I am daily uploading a daily to-do list at 4 am. Okay, you can follow that for your preparation. Now for tomorrow, I will attempt one RRB PO prelims mock test. Earlier I thought that I should attempt the clerk mock test, but no, I will attempt the RRB PO prelims mock test, and for tomorrow I will attempt it from test book. Okay, and this is the free mock test of test book, so you can also go and attempt this mock test. And if you are planning to buy test book yearly pass, then you can go for it, because in this test book mock test the mocks are of real exam level, so you don't have to worry about the level. And one more thing is that the yearly pass is highly affordable, anyone can afford it. And if you buy the yearly pass, then you will get practice questions for each subject like English, reasoning and maths, and there are 17,000 plus practice questions on each subject. Okay, so this is I think very beneficial. If you are planning to buy this, then I will give you the link in description, and by using my code you will get some discount also. After that there is read one editorial and then mains level puzzles practice. Okay, and there is 4 mains DIs, and for all this mains material I am following only mains mock test. Then I will practice one arithmetic chapter, and then there are daily current affairs and revision of previous current affairs. And for current affairs I am only following affairs cloud, as in affairs cloud current affairs they cover all the current affairs, and if we do current affairs from affairs cloud, and then there is no need to go anywhere. So I am following only affairs cloud. And if you are planning to buy the current affair course, then the link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. But one more thing is that before exam they release an exam PDF, and it is highly helpful in the mains examination, so try to read that also before the exam. Okay, then there is read banking awareness PDF and one sectional mains mock test of English. So that's all for tomorrow. I hope you all can complete this, and please try to attempt this mock test. Okay, I will also attempt, then we will share the scores. So that's all the best for your upcoming examinations. Thank you.